Good afternoon. My name is Beata Leah. I'm an immigration attorney in Chicago at the law firm of Minsky, McCormick, and Halligan. And I'm excited to join you today to share some very exciting news again as it relates to immigration, specifically DACA. It's really exciting this week because we've had several really significant wins this week for immigrants and our clients. Earlier this week, I shared that ICE had backed down from its proposal to require F1 students to attend in-person classes in the fall semester and had rescinded their plans to require that and went back to allowing the accommodation that they attend school online. And today we have a very exciting decision from the federal courts for DACA. So as many of you know, about a month ago, in the middle of June, the Supreme Court held that President Trump's rescission or cancellation of DACA was not done in the proper way, did not have the appropriate justification for canceling the program, and was deemed to be arbitrary and capricious, and therefore was unlawful. And all the advocates, every immigration attorney in my firm and nationwide agreed that what it meant was that it reinstated DACA to the same place or program that it was when it was initiated by President Obama. And again, despite the fact that this decision from the Supreme Court, the highest court in our country, happened a month ago, the USCIS, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Service Agency, which is tasked with accepting and adjudicating and approving DACA applications, did not issue a statement confirming that they would again reinstate the program to the way that it was under President Obama before it had been canceled. There were some very bizarre comments from the agency, giving mixed messages about what they were going to do. And in fact, there were also applications that were filed for new DACA for people who had not previously had DACA, which the Supreme Court very clearly said was permitted. And yet USCIS began rejecting these new DACA applications because they simply opposed the Supreme Court's decision. Now, again, the Supreme Court is the law of our land. The USCIS does not have the authority to simply ignore the Supreme Court. And you would have thought that the Supreme Court's decision would have been enough. But nevertheless, the good news that I share with you today is that the Supreme Court's decision went back down to a lower court, which ordered today the USCIS to begin accepting both new DACA applications for individuals who had not previously had DACA, and what's really exciting, advanced parole applications. So an advanced parole application is a travel document that allows certain individuals with DACA who have compelling reasons to travel abroad to obtain permission to travel and then re-enter the United States. So the decision today basically, again, orders the USCIS to accept new DACA applications for individuals who never applied for DACA in the first place. President Trump had put a hold on that. And again, because of the Supreme Court decision and the decision today from the federal court, USCIS is ordered that it must accept new DACA applications. So if you were too young to apply for DACA previously, but now you are old enough, or if you simply didn't apply for DACA previously because you didn't have the money to do it, or you were scared to do it, now is your opportunity to file new DACA applications and get work permission. The other thing, again, is whether you've had DACA previously or you've never had DACA previously, if you have a compelling reason to go outside the country, whether it's personal reasons, humanitarian reasons, professional reasons, obviously now is not a really good time to be traveling, but anyway, if you have a compelling reason, USCIS is ordered by this decision to begin accepting advanced parole applications. So this decision orders USCIS to reinstate DACA to its full program as it was under President Obama before President Trump canceled it. So again, very exciting. New DACA, USCIS must accept it, and advanced parole, USCIS must accept it. Now, I urge everyone who is eligible for DACA to apply now. The Trump administration has clearly indicated that their intent is to try and cancel DACA again, which they do have the authority to do. The Supreme Court decision basically said that Trump does have the authority to cancel DACA. They just didn't do it the right way. They didn't give a compelling reason. Well, they can go back and come up with another reason. And they've clearly stated that that is their intention and that they will be redrafting a plan to cancel DACA. So we have a potentially short window of time right now to apply for new DACA if you've never previously had it, and for advanced parole. So I urge everyone who is potentially eligible for DACA to consult with an immigration attorney or a qualified representative and ascertain whether or not you are eligible for DACA. And then if you are, I urge you to apply right now during this window of opportunity, which we don't know how long it will last. We don't know when the Trump administration will announce a better explanation for canceling DACA. So the window may be small. If you have any questions for myself or for any of the other immigration attorneys at my firm, our phone number is 312-427-6163, 312-427-6163. And again, I'm really excited to be able to share this news with you. Take care.